Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your PWR 450L Rider by Knog to your ModeMaker, also by Knog. So in order to add it, here I have it, we'll need to take out this cover right here and simply press this red button and start wiggling with a bit of force. Start wiggling this cover to yourself like that. Here we have access to USB and a mini USB plug, and now we'll need to plug in our mini USB and then take the other half of the USB cable and plug it to your PC or MacBook, whatever you're using. After you plugged it in, you can click on register new product, then move to the next step. Here you can see the product that is connected and enter the name for this product. So I'm gonna call it HardReset. Go for the next step, and that way you'll have this device added. You can click program in order to program it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.